The third generation Amazon Echo Dot is the entry-level smart speaker from the Echo family. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. You're watching Tecnicos, and today we're going to talk about the third generation Echo Dot from Amazon. Talking about its design, now it is a very compact speaker. It feels very sturdy and is not light at all. It feels a little heavy in your hand and feels very premium. On the upper side, it has a plastic panel with just 4 buttons: a volume up and down button, a action button, and a microphone on and off button. Now the side of the speaker is covered with fabric, and that makes it very premium and feels really nice in your hand. And even when it's sitting, it looks pretty good. Now it has a 3.5 mm jack and a power cable jack. And there is one thing, it does not work without the power cable. It's not portable. It has to be connected to the power cable to the adapter, otherwise it won't work. Now the Echo Dot comes with Alexa. It is a virtual assistant just like Siri and Google Assistant, but it is from Amazon. Now it is loaded with features and can do a ton of things for you. Here are some of the few things that Alexa can help you do with the Amazon Echo Dot. Stream music through Amazon Music and Spotify.
Alexa, play music from my playlist.
You bet. Here's your playlist, my playlist, on Amazon Music.
You can get news and information like sports news or what's going on, what's trending.
Alexa, what's the latest news?
Gaurav, here's what's new. From Aaj Tak.
नमस्कार, आप सुन रहे हैं आज तक हेडलाइंस।
सुशांत केस में रिया को ईडी ने कल पूछताछ के लिए फिर भेजा समन। भाई, पिता और पूर्व मैनेजर श्रुति मोदी भी तलब, दोस्त सिद्धार्थ पिठानी से भी सवाल।
You can call and text people who have enabled the Alexa calling and texting or messaging.
Alexa, message Rahul.
What's the message for Rahul Bagri?
You can set up alarms, reminders, and even set your routines with the Echo Dot.
Alexa, put a reminder for 14th September.
What's the reminder for?
You can do a Q&A session. You can ask a lot of questions to Alexa and she can answer to, well, some of them.
Alexa, can you sing a song?
Welcome to the land of 100 greetings.
You can do shopping through Amazon app, or you can do shopping from Alexa. She can help you in shopping.
Alexa, add Nestle coffee to my cart.
Nestle coffee added to your shopping list.
You can control all the smart devices that you have in your home, like your smart TV, your smart bulb, or other smart devices that exist which I don't know about. And now Alexa can talk in English and Hindi, which is a bonus for us Indians.
Alexa, क्या कर रही हो?
कैलकुलेट करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि भला चाचा चौधरी का दिमाग कंप्यूटर से कितना तेज चलता है।
Lame.
Also, if you're liking the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Support us. Thank you so much. And all you have to do is link your Echo Dot with the Alexa app in your mobile, and there are a lot more features that you can use through it. Coming on to the audio quality. Now the audio quality is pretty good. It's loud and it's crisp. But after a certain volume, it starts to distort and the quality goes down, and then it's just blasting loud noise into the air, which is still decent. But yes, it's good, but not at the max volume. It's not that great. Anyways, this one is priced at about 3100 or 3200, but usually due to some sale or any kind of event, it is available for the price of 2200 to 2500, and I think that is a very good price for a smart speaker. So is it worth it to go the extra mile to get a smart device rather than a normal Bluetooth speaker? Well, I guess the answer depends. If you're looking for a smart device which can do a ton of stuff for you, can answer your questions and book your cab or do a lot more, yes, of course, the Echo Dot 3 is worth it. But if you're looking for a good quality speaker, I guess you should avoid this one and get a normal Bluetooth speaker from either JBL or whichever company you prefer. Also, I would say I would prefer the portable one because I cannot keep it connected to a adapter. I cannot keep it fixed at a single point, and I would prefer the portable one. It's just a little more expensive, 500 to 600 bucks. I think they're worth it. And that is pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.